Hey guys, it's Joe at Equiparts, and the next time you have a restroom stall that is out of order and you need to let people know, instead of using a shoddy, handwritten sign on a piece of cardboard or throwing a trash bag over the fixture, you should use one of these. This is a nifty little device called Block-Aide, and it's actually a 2-in-1 out of order sign and door lock. Now some of the features of this are, one, it's much more professional looking than a handwritten sign or a trash bag. It's also made out of a very sturdy resin that's chip and crack resistant, so if you drop it on the floor you don't need to worry about it breaking. But the coolest part of the Block-Aide is that it actually locks people out of the stall so that they can't go in and see what's wrong with the fixture, or worse yet, use the stall. It's really simple to use. You just slide it down between the pilaster and the door, just like this. Locked out. So it's a great little item, like I said, much more professional looking. We have these in stock here at Equiparts, so give us a call and pick up a couple, and be prepared the next time you have a restroom that's out of order.